I'm gonna lift this up. You're gonna take the one from the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna put this back down. I'm gonna lift this up, you're gonna put that on top. All right, now we need to measure out a cup of fresh water. A little more. It's gotta be a cup. A little more, it's gotta be up to that line. There you go, you're fine. You're a little over, but that's okay. Go ahead and pour that in slowly so it doesn't overflow it on the side. Okay, now we can just put that right over here. Oh, wait a second, Luke. Put the measuring cup upside down on that. All it has is water, it's still clean. Now you can pick that up carefully and bring it back out here. Good job. Good job. Put it right in that open spot up at the top. Perfect.